Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today we had amazing volatility and today is the 4th of March 2021 and Thursday. Alright, so let's dig into the system and let's see how I traded and how I analyze the market, the opportunity as we discussed on yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Alright, so just quick recap guys. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour and with the live audio commentary support. I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training session, and also broadcast those analysis in the training in the analysis section, and also as soon as the price progress according to the analysis and any opportunities raised, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary, and also update those analyses instantly in the analysis section. So let's dig into the three major currency pair as we discussed yesterday. Let's see how we traded today. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at 4-hour chart, as I mentioned yesterday, that if the price is going to stay below this level, let me draw this line here. And as I mentioned here, if the price is going to stay below that, probably then we're going to be taking a pullback short. And we had such a nice beautiful, you can see even this one breakout, we had a beautiful pullback short trade. So whole day we were short on Euro USD. Every opportunity, every time when the trader asked me is there any opportunity, I broadcast analysis instantly, and we had such a beautiful short trade here whole day. So let me share with you the analysis. Let me, it's slightly bigger. I'm going to show you all this journey from here to here. All right, so let's dig into the system. If you look at okay, so this is the analysis I showed you yesterday, the pullback which price nicely developed, and also at 9 p.m. GMT time, did ask me is there any opportunity. I did another analysis for them. I said, guys, look for pullbacks. As you can see, we had a beautiful pullbacks, and then again in the New York session 7:33, I mentioned another analysis, look for this breakout which price nicely broken, bank few more pips. And at the New York session, you can see here, we did another analysis and explained to traders, guys, as long as the momentum is bearish, you should be taking all the pullbacks. So you can see one, you can see here 1, 2 pullbacks, and afterwards, as long as the momentum is bearish and we have a news released at 5 p.m. that was good for the dollar, and we're taking maximum benefit all these pullbacks. So you can see in Euro USD today we were short and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so as you know, tomorrow we have a non-farm payroll, and we'll see how the market is going to react. So right now the price action, if you look at, the price has broken the previous low and broken 120,000 area. So another possibility, we are looking another pullback here at this level, or am I going to pull back this level? So depend on the news, but we'll see. This is what exactly we are looking into it. But as you can see that the counter opportunity, if you look at here, if the price going to stay below that, then still we're taking a pullback short here. If the price going to break this level, then we might going to see some counter long opportunity. As I said to you, we are intraday trader and we have our own proprietary system that's basically help us. You can see here, once the structure is broken, after that we always look for the pullbacks. You can see here, beautiful pullback. So that's what exactly we're looking at tomorrow. We'll keep you update. And let's move on to the cable pound dollar. And if you look at the 4-hour, and we have a both long and short opportunities. And if you look at here, as I mentioned you yesterday, that the price is keep respecting this level, and if the price is going to keep respecting this level, we're going to be taking a short trade here. Otherwise we should be taking a long. And I also mentioned yesterday about this one, this pattern, you can see here. So we have taken a long counter long trade here, bank beautiful pips, and we also had a pullback short trade here, but eventually we make a beautiful long trade here, because at that time I finished my day, but I explained to my trader keep taking pullback short, right? So let me share with you this whole journey from here to here and from here to here. So let's see here, and if I show you yesterday, and this is the analysis I mentioned you. And afterwards, you can see the price broken, bank beautiful pips, and said, guys, look for another pullback. We have another pullback here. Then I did another analysis 9 o'clock. There you can see 7:34, just before London Open. Another pattern breakout, beautiful short trade here, and then we had it another one at the New York session. As explained to traders, look for pullback or breakout. So because the momentum was developed bullish, and at that time I believe we have very strong bullish candle. You can see here this candle, and that's what I explained to traders. So keep taking a pullback long. As you can see here, 1 2 3 beautiful pullback long just before the news release. We were long on pound dollar. Our target was 140,000, and after 140 we had a beautiful short trade, and that's what I explained to traders. Keep taking all these pullback short trades and the beautiful short trade. All right, so for tomorrow, as you know that we have a non-farm payroll. So what we're looking here, look at the price action. You can see here the price has broken this consolidation and this support line. So another possibility, price might going to develop pullback and probably going to be taking a pullback short tomorrow if the price is going to respect this level, and we'll see. And if the price is going to hit this 200 EMA, and if you find any counter long trade, then probably going to be taking a counter long trade. But as I said to you, we're trading in intraday system. That's what exactly we're looking into it right now. You can see here the price develop a double bottom, so we're looking here, you know, for counter long trade. As I said to you, over first priority break and retest. That's what exactly the, give us the confirmation. Then we look at counter long trade. And if the price is going to come back, hit this level, then continue short here. So we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar, but that's what exactly we're looking into it. We are looking at short here. So let's see here tomorrow. And if, let's say if the price is going to reverse and develop, come back to this level and develop another pattern, so there might going to be develop in an inverted head and shoulder pattern. But again, as I said to you, we only trade what we see it, and mainly we look at in intraday system. So for example, when the price hit 140 level, that's what we explained to trader, that if you see any momentum bearish and pullbacks, you should be taking banking profit. As you can see here, once the momentum develop bearish from here, and you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 pullbacks. So that's what exactly we're looking here tomorrow. So we'll keep you updated. Let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting moves. We have a both long and short. That was my favorite pair today. And let's move on to the 4 hour. Let's see what's happening here. As I mentioned you, if you haven't seen my previous analysis review, I also mentioned that if the price is going to respect this level, you can see previously 1 2, and I was expecting the price might going to respect this level, which price nicely did. So we were short here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this level, just before the news release speech, we were long here, and I explained to my trader, now it's time to keep banking pullback, especially when we have this candle bearish rejection, and I explained to traders banking some pips on pullback until the price can hit the 200 EMA in 4 hour. And that's what exactly we did. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. So if I show you, yeah, this is the not this one, this let me share with you. Okay, yeah, yeah, this is the analysis. We had it last night while I was doing analysis. I mentioned you about this breakout, which price nicely broken, bank few pips. Then when I explained to my trader, look for another, few more pips as a pullback after the breakout, which price nicely developed pullback, bank few pips. And afterwards, I did another analysis around 3 p.m. At the New York session. You can see here. So look for another breakout opportunity. As you can see, the reason why I said when the price hit this level 100 EMA, and then I said to you guys, look for short trade, and that's why we're taking a short trade here. And that's what I did analysis of. This is the analysis. Yeah, this is the analysis. You can see 3 p.m. So we were short here. We were banking break short and pull back and another breakout. Beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, then when I explained to my traders, now it's time to look for long, but we need a valid technical entry as an intraday. And that's what I explained to my traders. I did this analysis. You can see here after the news, when we see the dollar strengthening, so I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As soon as the price is going to break about the previous high, we should be banking, taking some profit, as you can see here. Beautiful. And then I explained to my trader, just keep taking pullbacks on dollar CAD, and most of the traders really enjoyed it. You can see here all these pullbacks. So we had, being an intraday trader, we really enjoyed it, banking beautiful pips. So now tomorrow, what we can see here, Again, we have NFP review, so we can looking here this breakout. You can see the price is developing a sideways market. So we're looking this breakout, and then we're going to take trade accordingly. And if you look at the price action, as I mentioned, we were looking this breakout, which price nicely broken. And if the price is going to stay above that level, which is, you can see here, broken, then probably we're going to be taking a pullback long here, and the target would be this level. And if the price is going to break this level, if there's any counter trade opportunities develop, then probably going to be taking a counter short trade. But technically we are looking along on dollar CAD. So we'll let you know tomorrow about the dollar CAD. We had such amazing trades, and the best pairs and best analysis we had, especially pound Swiss franc and the dollar Swiss franc. We have seen very good weaknesses on Swiss franc. So you can see here, this was the analysis at the New York session. You can see here, beautiful pullback as mentioned on the analysis. We have another breakout as soon as the price broken another previous high, and another one beautiful. We had such a beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc. We also had a beautiful on dollar Swiss franc. That was a beautiful trade on dollar Swiss franc. You can see here, that was a beautiful the New York session. We did this analysis. They were only looking at counter. That's what I explained to my trader. You should be looking only counter short trade. If the price gonna break this support and retest, give us the confirmation, then we should be taking a counter short trade. Otherwise, keep enjoying, because most of the traders, because it's all in psychological game, they were asking, I think the price gonna reverse. I say, guys, I don't think this is gonna come. I only see it if it is gonna come. I need a confirmation. If a break, retest, then we're going to take a short. Otherwise, we're gonna be stick to the momentum. As you can see here, we have beautiful pullback 1, 2, and after the news, we see a very good strength on the dollar, and that's what I keep explaining to traders. Just keep taking a pullbacks long on dollar Swiss franc. So these were the two best analysis of the day. Bank beautiful pips most of the traders. All right, guys, you can see we have most of the pairs considered banking sub pips. So most of the traders bank amazing pips today. And if you would like to see all the other pair analysis, including with these 3 major pairs in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Even if you don't have Forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. You will see all that analysis and trade updates in real time. Have the opportunity, that's why we did multiple analysis. The reason when the trader asks, is there any opportunity, we broadcast that information instantly for them, because our job is to help them to trade successfully, because we basically we invest your trading funds to those successful traders. So it's a golden opportunity for you guys to develop your trading skill in real-time trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, you can easily enjoy all these trades, because everything is 100% based on the price action. We have our intraday system, but technically, as I said to you, we explain things in 4 hours, which is pretty straightforward as a price action. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. If you need any help in trading, please find my availability calendar. Link is also given in the video description. That's completely free. And all the best, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. And tomorrow is a non-farm payroll. Let's see how this is gonna go. All the best.